Model 2004 Iveco 6.5T recovery truck spec lift. Body white, recovery. Mileage 0. Engine 2.8 HDI IVE8140N. Transmission 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: none runner, timing issue, and the valve's shave hit the top of the pistons. The head has been removed. Every single part is there, nothing is missing. Ideally needs another engine putting in it. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Features: 3 former keepers. The spec lift system on this works perfectly. There are no whines or crunchies from the gearbox or rear axle. It was getting used daily until the timing issue struck. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.